Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am in the middle of doing my makeup and I thought I would turn on the camera and show you guys how you stop your eyeliner, the eyeliner that is on your waterline, from running. I have a problem with this. Throughout the day it will run down and it will be down here, which is unbecoming of my eye makeup. But I want to show you guys a really quick tip on how to stop that. So it's like a 2-second video, 2-minute video. Really quick, really easy. You will need obviously a black eyeliner and a black eyeshadow. So if you're curious, I'm going to zoom the camera in and you guys are going to see exactly what I do. Okay, so let's get started. You can see this eye, the waterline is blank, and I'm going to take an infallible 16-hour wear eyeliner, just a black eyeliner, and I'm going to go ahead and pull down my waterline, and I'm going to place the eyeliner right in the waterline. Just like this. Now, a lot of times I want to take it closer to the edge, closer to my eyeball, because for some reason it comes off right here first on me. But I'm just lining my waterline, and you guys can see the reflection in the mirror, how shiny it is. Now, when I line my waterline, I also go in and try to touch my eyelashes to make sure that that line just blends very seamlessly. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to dip a very small brush into black eyeshadow. This is a matte black eyeshadow, and watch this, especially here that you can see the shine. You're just going to pat it down right on top of it. Obviously not getting this into the eye, but even if a little bit gets into the eye, it's okay. It doesn't really hurt at all. And I'm just going to continue this all the way through. Just like this. This doesn't hurt. It just makes the eyeshadow set, and it dries it a little bit more. If you guys could, please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. I appreciate all your comments. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.